all are able to view my screen. First one, you always know the sum function, sum formula, and second one is count, and count a, sum ifs, count ifs, and concatenate right, left, mid, and left. You all know this formula? Anyone? Which formula you already know? Navya, Jayashree, Preeti. Hello? Hello, team.
Yeah, Vaiti, I think they know because they have completed count function law in Excel 101.
Okay. Count A.
Mm.
Okay. Sum ifs, count ifs. This formula, you know,
No, they don't know.
and concatenate right, left also they know. So
They
okay,
don't know.
we will see step by step. First one is sum. You already know. If there are any values, you need to add total values. You can use this formula. Just is equal to put equal on the sum. Need to select the ranges. Okay. Just need to close this by. This is the sum function, and next one is count. If you want the count the total value, total rows, just you need to select count, select the range. This is the count, and we use this formula for only the numeric values, and for the text, I will apply this count. This will not working because it's only for the numeric value. In text, we need to use count A. It's equal to count A, and I need to select the rows value. This is the count A. Okay, and next one is the count if. Do you have the data, overall data? I have this for Touch 201, and I need the total users are studying in each center wise. Kapu, Chennai, Kollu, Vilupuram, TN Palayam, under the total count. So, sorry, yeah, count if. So this one, we can use this formula. Um, it's equal to count if. This one first we need to select the range. We need to so we will apply formula again. Count cap. Sorry, count if. First one is range. Range means which where the data have. In this range we have the data, overall data. So I will select the center range. So I will click the F4. F4 for the freeze the range. So this one we need to use for this types of formula. Select the. I click F4 button. And next I select the criteria. Criteria means we need to segregate the center wise count. So I will select this first one. I select the center, top center. I will select and close the brace. It's showing 10. I will check this. I will apply the filter and I will select Kapu. The total strength is 10. So this one. And the same thing, I just drag this formula. This is the overall. So this one, I need to apply the sum. Total is 27. 27. I will check Chennai. Chennai is 3. Kulu is 8. And the TN Palayam is 3. Vilupuram is 3. So the overall count is 27. Clear this formula? Deepti, Saranya, Navya.
Sir, can you repeat one time, sir?
Okay.
Only time.
Okay. Delete this. Just let count if you can see this first one. They saying the range is which they where the value is now. This is center. I will select this value and click F4 for fix the range. And next I select the criteria. Just I put comma and I select the criteria. Criteria I will select the name. So here I have the data. So I select the range of the name Kapu. So if I don't have this data, so I just enter the value, enter the name, enter the double quote Kapu, and I click the double quote. This way also we can use. Then I sorry. So this way also we can use. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next one I will open the sum if. Sum if also same. This one we can. I delete this. Just click the sum if. I need the sum of the range total lesson completed by the center wise. So in Kapu, how much completed the lessons, and Chennai, how much completed the lessons. I need the overall sum count. So I will select the range first. First, I need to select the center and range. Which range I will use? I will select the center and total lessons completed. And I will click F4 and I will select the criteria. Criteria is center. So I will click again. Order sum if range I need center and total lessons. So I will select this. Click F4 and the criteria I will select the center and I need to select the sum of the range. Sum of the range is total lesson is completed. So I select the sum of the range and I click F4. I close the bracket. Just drag the formula. In Kapu, I will select Kapu. The total lesson completed 160. And Chennai, total lesson completed 48. And the Kollu, total lesson is 128. Vilupuram 48. And TN Palayam also 48. This way we can use the exact count and the criteria center or anything. I will put this formula again. For sum if I need the total count of centers. I need the total count of lessons completed by center wise. I will select this range. Click F4 for fix the range, and I select the criteria, and I select the sum of the range. This total lesson is completed. I click F4 for fix the range, and I close the brackets. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, count if. So this one I need the green and red count in center wise. So I will select I will apply the formula. It's equal to count ifs. First one, you will see the criteria range 1. Criteria range 1, first I need to select the center. We need the center wise count, so I will put the criteria 1, and I will select the criteria. Count ifs criteria range 1. I click F4, and I select the criteria 1 is center name, and I will select the status range. I will click F4, and I will select the criteria status criteria, and I will close the base. Sorry. Put again. Criteria range 1, criteria range 2, criteria 2, or click F4, process. And I will apply the same for rate. It's equal to count ifs criteria range 1, click F4, criteria 1, and I will select the criteria range 2, 4, criteria 2. You can see the range selected. There is only red in Kollu 2.
படுத்திருக்காங்க. உள்ள
Below,
படுத்திருக்காங்க.
and second one also below. And the green is
ஏன் தாத்தா? ஏன் தாத்தா? உள்ளதான் இருக்காங்க. பாருங்க எனக்கு. பாருங்க. மீட்டிங்
Kapu we got 10,
மீட்டிங்
and the Chennai we got 3,
மீட்டிங்
and the Kollu 6, and the TN Palayam 3, and the Vilpuram also 3. This one is counties. Can clear this formula. Hello team. No doubt. Okay, I will. Next one is sum ifs. So same, I need the total count of center wise and the green wise of lessons completed count. So I will select the put formula is equal to sum ifs. This one first I need to select the sum of the range. Sum of the range is total lesson completed. Okay, 4. And the criteria range 1. Criteria range 1 is center. 4. And the criteria. Criteria is center name. And the next one is criteria range 2. The final status 4. And the criteria 2 is grain. I will close this place. And the second red also same formula I will apply as equal to sum ifs. First I select the sum range. You can see this values is mentioned here, sum range, criteria range. Now I will select the sum range. The criteria range is 1 is showing. I will select the criteria range. And I will click comma, and the criteria 1 is showing. Criteria 1 is center, and again I click comma, and the criteria range 2. Criteria range 2 is the final status, and I click F4, and criteria 2. Criteria 2 is red. Click F4 and close this. This one is sum ifs. So I will put again this formula. I will delete this. Equal to sum ifs. Sum range is total lesson completed, and criteria range 1 is a center. 4. And the criteria is a center name, and the criteria range 2 is the final status, and the criteria 2 is a green. Again I will apply this sum ifs. Sum range is the total lesson completed, and the criteria range 1 is the center. Criteria 1 is center name. Criteria range 2 is the final status. Criteria 2 is red. clear this?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Next one is concatenate. Anyone know this content concatenate formula?
No, sir.
Huh? No? Okay. So we have the value of three column A, B, and C. If any situations we need to match the three values. So we can this scenario we can use this concatenate formula. So this simple we need to just we need to click the is equal to and type the concatenate and we need to select the first value. First value is range A column, and second one is text B column, and third one is C column. So just close this bracket and click enter. This is the concatenate form. Clear? Hello team. So this is the one type of scenario. In some types, we can mention some uh, in hyphen or underscore in between the values BC equal to under C. So this types of scenario we can apply the same function concatenate and I select the first value and I will if I mention the double underscore, so I need to select the double quote. I mention the underscore and I select the double quote and I again mention the comma and I need to select the value v value and again I select the double quote underscore double quote comma and I'll select the C column value and I'll close this bracket. If any of the value you need to mention text or any special characters, you need to uh, come on the double quote. So that's one. That is the way we can use the special character or text values. So you can see this output. Team.
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Okay. Okay. Next one is right. Uh, if there is value, here is some of the value DC equal to under some numeric value is also there. If want some only the numeric value last 4 digit or last 3 digit of some of that one we can use this right formula. Is equal to I need the last 4 digit value only, so I will apply this formula is equal to Ri Gst. Just Ri Gst, right, and I select the text and I need to mention the number of characters is 4 characters 2698. So there is the 4 digit, so I will select the just I select the 4. No need to mention the double quote because this is the value, so we can directly use the value. So I will mention the close brace. This is the out. So this is also same for left. If you want only the first 2 digit or 4 digit values, you can mention this. It's equal to left. same, and I need only two values, so I select that two. So this is the left function, and same is mid. Default mid. I will select the text, and here I need to mention the two values. And first one is I need only collu, so I will select the start number. Start number is the number of characters started. 1, 2, and 3. 3 is the collu is started, so I will select that 3, and I need the number of characters. Collu is totally 5 digits, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will select 5, and I will close this space. So this is how. Team, uh, hello, clear this?
Yes, sir.
And the final one is the length. Sometimes we have the more number of values in the cell, so that time we need the total count of the text. So that time we can use this formula. It means digits or text, how many text is there the cell. So just apply equal and just len, len. Len means length, so len, and just select the range of the value. So I'll close this pen. This is the len. Okay. So I will again put this formula. It's equal to len. Select the text and close the bracket. This is the len. Hello team. All are clear? All the formula. Do you have any doubt? Team? Deepthi, Navya, Saranya.
Yes, sir. No doubt. It's clear.
Good.
Yes, sir. Clear.
So this week
Clear.
we can use this for task. So I will share the task today.